Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. This is my CVS haul for this week. Everything you see here was completely free, and I made $3.39 by taking it home. So yes, CVS paid me $3.39, and I took all of these items home. So we are almost to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. If you are not subscribed and you enjoy the video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So guys, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so my first deal is the Beauty 360. It's spend 10, get $5 back. I am picking up one of the premium cotton rounds at $7.49 and one of the large cotton balls at $2.79. For both of them, it's going to be $10.28. I have a CRT for one free cosmetic item up to $5 and a 2 off of 2 Beauty 360. I'll pay $3.28 and I'll get 5 back, making them free, and a $1.72 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal I am doing is Maybelline buy 2, get $5 back. I am picking up 2 of the Lash Sensational at $9.99. For both, it's going to be $19.98. I'm going to use 2 of this $2 printable coupons. I can't remember where I printed them at. I have a 5 off of 20 and a $3 CRT. That's $12 in coupons. I'm going to pay $7.98, getting $5 back, making both of them just $2.98. Okay guys, so this week again, the Paparazzi is buy 2, get $5 back, and you can do the deal 2 times. I'm picking up 2 of their lotions and 2 of the nail polish. I'm going to pay $10 and I'll get $10 back, making them completely free. Okay guys, so I am picking up one of these Neutrogena bars and it's $4.19. I have a $3 CRT and a $2.50 CRT that's going to adjust down, making this completely free. Okay guys, so if you have the free November CRT, it works on this one and this one. These are the only 2 I scanned. I haven't scanned anything else. So you pick up one of these for $4.19 and that coupon is going to take $4.19 off, making it completely free. Okay guys, so the Irish Spring this week, it's $3.99. Buy 1, get a $2 extra care buck. And also the Softsoap. So I'm picking up 1 Softsoap because there's a $1 digital, and I'm picking up 1 of the Irish Spring. So for both of them, it's going to be $7.98. I have 2 off of 2 CRTs, and I'm going to use this $1 coupon for the Irish Spring. That's going to take $6 off. I'll pay $1.98. and I'm going to get $4 back, making them free and a $2 moneymaker. Okay guys, so I'm picking up one of the Cerave hydrating cleansing bars and it's $7.59. I have 2 $4 CRTs, which is going to adjust and make this completely free. Okay guys, so I am picking up 2 of the Gold Bond and it's $10.49. Spend 20, get $10 back. So both of them is going to be $20.98. I have a 3 off of 10 lotion CRT, and I'm going to use 2 of these $2 coupons. I'm going to pay $13.98. I'll get $10 back from CVS, and I'll get $3 back on Ibotta, $1.50 for each bottle, making both of them just 98 cents. Okay guys, the next deal I am doing is the Eucerin, and it's spend 20, get $10 back. I am picking up one of the Advanced Repair Cream, and that's $8.79, and one of the Advanced Repair Cream at $12.79. So for both products, that's going to be $21.58. I have a 5 off of 20 lotion CRT and a $2 Eucerin CRT. I'm also going to use 2 of these coupons from in the newspaper, and that's going to take $13 off. I'm going to pay $8.58, getting $10 back, making them free, and a $1.42 moneymaker. Okay guys, so the Gillette is buy 1, get 1 50% off. Buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck. I am picking up the Skin Guard, and I had my manager scan it, and this is included in the extra buck. The Mach 3 and Diffusion 5, I don't think it's included because it says excludes Gillette 3 and 5, but I actually did not even let them scan this. But anyway, moving on. 2 of those is going to be $16.48. I have a 4 off of 16 CRT and a $2 CRT. I'm also going to use 2 of these expired coupons. That's going to take $12 off. I'm going to pay $14.48 and I'll get $5 back, making both of them free and a 52-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so I'm going to put 2 Colgate deals together. I'm picking up 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh and it's $3.99. Buy 2, get $3 back. And I'm going to pick up 2 of the Colgate Total and it's $5.49. Buy 3, get $5 back. Then I am picking up 1 at $5.79 and that's including, and then buy 3, get 5. So this is it right here. This is all of them. For everything, it's $24.75. I'm going to use these $2 coupons. I have a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT. I also have a 5 off of 3 digital and a 2 off of 1. Hopefully they all come off. And that's $16 in coupons. I'll pay $8.75 and I'll get $8 back, making all 5 products just 75 cents. Okay guys, the next deal I am doing is the Burt's Bees. It's $4.99. Buy 2, get a $4 extra care buck, and you can do this deal 2 times. I picked up 4, and I also picked up 2 of the kids Oral-B toothbrushes at $8.29. That's spend 10, get $4 back. I have no idea where that clip went. So for those 6 products, it's $36.54. I had a 6 off of 25 CRT, and I used 4 of these $2 coupons for the Burt's Bees. For the kids toothbrushes, I used a 10 off of 2 from in the P&G. I paid $12.54 and I got $12 back, making the final cost just 54 cents for all 6 products. Okay, so the next thing I am picking up is 1 of the Micro Gold, and it's $9.99. Buy 1, get a $9 extra care back. I'm going to use this $2 off coupon. I printed a few weeks ago. That's going to take $2 off. I'm going to pay $7.99 and I'll get $9 back, making it free and a $1.01 moneymaker. Okay, so the next thing I am picking up is 1 of the Alka-Seltzer and it's $4.99. I have a $3 CRT and I'm going to use this $1.50 off coupon, leaving it to be just 49 cents. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 2 of the Lindt chocolate and it's $3.79. Buy 1, get 150% off. The other one is going to be $1.89. So for both of them, it's going to be $5.68. I have a $2 app only CRT, a 1 off of 5 CRT, and I'm going to use 1 of these right here, 1 off of 2. After everything comes off, I'm going to pay $1.68, getting nothing back, just making them $1.68. And I don't mind paying for this because chocolate is my favorite. Okay guys, the next thing I am picking up is 2 of the Axe sprays, and it's buy 1, get 150% off. Buy 2, get a $3 extra care back. It's $5.99 at my store, and I have them right here. So for both of them, it's, well, first is going to be $5.99. The second one is going to be $2.99. For both, it's going to be $8.98. I have a $2.50 off of 2 manufacturers coupon, and there's also a $1.25 off of 1. I have a $1.50 off of 7 CRT. That's $5.25 in coupons. I'm going to pay $3.74. I'll get $3 back from CVS, making it just 74 cents. But on Fetch, I have 2 remaining to get $1 back, so I'll get $2, making them free and a $1.26 moneymaker. Okay guys, so this is the beginning of my spend 30, get 10. I am picking up 3 of the Pantene Mousse, and it's 3 for $15. I'm going to put the rest of the items together and then I'll show you the breakdown. Okay, so this is the entire spend 30, get 10. I added 3 of the Tide and it's $4.94. So for the Tide and the Pantene, everything all together is $29.82. I'm going to use this 4 off of 3 for the Pantene. There is also a 4 off of 3 digital that's going to glitch and come off as well. For the Tide, I'm going to use 3 of these $3 coupons. That's going to take $9 off. I also have a $2 off when you spend $12, I believe, in Pantene, but I'm going to post it up here as well so you can see. So again, $29.82. We have $19 in coupons. I'm going to pay $10.82, and I'll get $10 back, making everything just 82 cents. Okay, guys, so in the video, I did not speak about this right here. This was on both of my cards, and it's a free, I can't even remember what it said, but this is the item that's free. It's this or a clip, a set, and I could not find that, but we found this one. So there's 3 capes in this, and it's free. So it's $4.99. And you get this free with that CRT. Okay, guys, so this is everything I picked up this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss when I upload. And give the video a thumbs up. That's a good way to support my channel. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.